Hey, it's you again. How's it hanging? Mm-hmm. I hear that. These last few days have been something, alright? Really? Dang, I gotta say. I'm pretty lucky to be cooped up in here all the time, huh? Yeah, I guess so. So, tell me, what needs repairing? I get the feeling you didn't just come here to look at this gorgeous face. Whoa, look at that! Don't tell me, let me guess. Uh, Goblins? Nah, the markings are too big. Ogre? Nah, this looks more primal. Oh, I know! Hellhound, right? Yes! I told you I knew my monsters. Now, let's see here. To repair the teeth dents and fire markings, I'll probably just need some steel. And to fix up the decoration, I'll just need a little jade. That's no problem. And hey, since you've been a repeat customer for years now, I'll throw in a little fire resistance, just to make sure those hellhounds won't know what hit them. Alright? Yeah, just give me 3 days, 4 tops, and I'll get this back to you. Payment? No. I swear, you always end up giving me like double of what I asked for, so I'm not even going to bother. And I swear, if you try to sneak the payment again, I will shove so much magic in this fairies will stick to you like magnets. Alright? Do not even try. Another form of payment? I don't know. You got any scrap metal? I could always use that. No. Darn. Oh, I got it! You know the place down the road that just opened up last week? The Banshee. I was thinking about heading over there after work. And you're gonna join me. Ah! You're not getting out of this. You wanted to pay me, and I know you haven't had dinner yet, so come on. It's time to pay up. Alright, heck yeah. See you there at 8. Bye-bye. Outside. Shoot, that was good too. Huh. I wonder what he's gonna order. Oh, hey, you made it. This place looks great, right? I wonder if... It's nothing. It's just... Well, I don't think I've ever seen you in casual clothing like this. You look really good. I'm not making fun, I swear. You genuinely look great. It's just... different, you know? And really, I am not complaining. Oh, nothing. So tell me, what do you think you're gonna get? Yeah, that does look good. I was thinking about getting the molten breastplate. Right? It looks delicious. And I heard they were bred to be the best in the country. The whole plate's kind of a lot, though. You think we should get both and share with each other? Well, well, someone's getting more and more confident. Alright, yeah, let's do that. Oh, heck yes. Now this is a meal. Oh man. This is the best molten I ever had in my life. You gotta try some. Try some and tell me what a straight face that isn't the best molten ever. Right? You mind if I try some of yours now? Thank you. Oh yeah. That's solid too. Really good stuff. Man, you got a good eye for blacksmiths and food. I ought to tie you down before anyone can get to you. What's with that face? You're all red. You used that for? So it was like an indirect kiss? What? Would you have preferred a direct kiss? Whoa, that face! This is pretty fun. Alright, I'll lay off. For now. Yes, we can go back to eating. Hey, can you pass me that loaf of bread? Thanks. Oh, wow. Oh, brother, that was incredible. I swear, I never expected that the food here would be so good. You're going to pay? I knew you tried to, you. Not happening. You remember when I asked you to get me another mug? When you left, I asked for the check and paid. Nice try though. Besides, remember, this is you paying me with your company. I never said anything about the check. You think I paid too much and you want to pay me back? You and your payments. Tell you what. You want to pay me back so badly? Let's do this again tomorrow night. Deal? Alright then. Let's grab some sweet rolls and get out of here.